My name is Sally Kirk, and this is my experience of working in ESB as part of the STEM Teacher Internship Programme 2021. I studied in DCU and graduated this year as a secondary school teacher. I studied PE and biology in DCU, which I loved as it combined my love for both sport and science. So why did I want to get involved in this programme? Well, last year I worked in DESH school and was aware that not all students will continue on to third level education. I wanted to be able to inspire and inform these students on other pathways to STEM careers. When I was in secondary school, I found that the term engineering was quite broad and wasn't sure what it actually entailed. I wanted to find out for myself the different careers available to engineers in ESB. When I thought of ESB, I used to think of the yellow work vans I'd see in my local area. I wanted to see what other roles ESB have. So I worked in ESB for 12 weeks and can break my internship into 2 6-week blocks. The first 6-week block, I worked with college students who had entered the ESB Intercolleges Challenge and subsequently were offered a summer placement. I held bi-weekly meetings along with my team to see how these students were progressing in their projects. As well as this, I attended bi-weekly career talks with ESB grads and employees. I then created and analysed surveys on these students' satisfaction on the summer placement that they had just completed. My second 6-week block was focused on creating and analysing surveys for past and current graduates. I held workshops with graduates to get a greater insight into their experience of the graduate programme. I then presented my findings to the line manager. So I wanted to find out other parts of the ESB. I was exposed to and had the opportunity to learn about the different parts, such as the apprenticeship programme, their Pride Week events, and also ESB Science Blast. So what were my key takeaways from this programme? Well, I found out about the apprenticeship programmes that ESB run and now can inform my students about them. I now have the knowledge of different ESB engineering roles that ESB have to offer. Having worked with graduates, I have an in-depth knowledge of what the graduate programme contains. I've made connections in the ESB that I can bring into my teaching. I now have experience of working in a STEM company and therefore have improved both presentation and communication skills. I'd like to thank ESB and STEM Teacher Internship Programme for my experience that I've had.